the basic point of this chain is the angle. Okay, let me show you what I mean. Okay, so you just hold your deck in this grip. Okay, and you just take, okay, this is a setup from the exposing angle. Okay, you just take the next card. Okay, just slide out jog, okay, like this, a little bit towards you. Okay, and you hold the first card in this position. And what happened when you touch the out jog card, okay, like this, and you just press, they will pop out, and this will happen, they will move into your first card. Okay, so one more time. Okay, remember, you just slide the next card like this, a little bit, okay, out jog. Okay, and you put the first card on top. Okay, you begin, take the first card showing like this, and you just tap the out jog card on the edge. Okay, you just place your thumb like here, okay, like this, and just tap it like this. After that, you just square these two cards with your other fingers by moving like this. That's the basic chain. Okay, and from the right angle, okay, remember, this is from the exposing angle, but if you do the tilt your deck and it's completely right angle, okay, your spectator don't see the out jog card. Okay, you just tilt like this, and you can put your first card like this. Okay, this is your starting position. Show and just do the chain, and that's how the chains work. So from the beginning, okay, remember, okay, you just turn over your deck like this. Okay, and secretly tilt back, and you just take double it, slide double. Okay, this is double. Okay, you just slide double towards you, and you just push the next card like this, so you can create the setup. Okay, there's one of your card like this. After that, just take the next card, show it to the spectator, and remember to do the chain, just tap, and this is what happened. Okay, so from the front, remember, just turn your deck like this. Okay, remember, from the exposure angle, take double lift, slide towards you. Okay, push the top card, and you are ready for the setup. Okay, so from the right angle, you just tilt like this, take double lift. Okay, show the top card, and you are ready. So that show the first card. Okay, remember, just tapping. Okay, this is from the right angle, just tapping the next card, and after that you just do this. Okay, so one more time. Right now I already set up. I take top card showing, and I just tap the object card, do the chain, and if you want to do the cleanup, just put this card on the bottom, and after that you just slide up the bottom card, and you can immediately hand out this final card to examination.